Well, it's morning. Let's see what it looks like today. Wow, beautiful morning. Yeah. Man alive. It's a little vacant looking that direction. It's Friday morning now. I can tell, yeah, there is the one group that went over, that left. They kind of left their little shelter there. But they took off already. About 7:30 a.m. right now. Friday morning. Last year at this time, I left on Friday, but this time I'm staying till 2 more days. I'm leaving Sunday morning instead. Take a look west, looking beautiful. Wow. And the plan for today, I have no plans. Because tomorrow is my last day here in Sturgis, my last full day. I'm going to just hang around in town. And today I left open just as a backup day, just in case I did not get something that I wanted to do on another day. But I got everything that I wanted to do, so I'm just going to play it by ear. I just might just hang around the campsite all day, unless I hear of something that's be kind of fun to go to in town. But I'm not going to go anywhere far today, if I do go anywhere at all. So anyways, I'm going to have some breakfast, and that's about it. Because I showered last night actually I should say. I haven't seen the cows for a few days. I think they moved them to a different pasture. And not because of the rally, I don't think. I think it just was time to move them for the grass and all that. But anyways, I'm going to get breakfast ready, and we'll talk to you later. Well, it's about 8:30. I'm just sitting here in the chair. And I will have to run into town today. I need to get some milk. So I think at the same time I'll go in and I'll walk around Sturgis today too. So, but I'll do that later. Right now I'm just hanging out. Nice. Right now it's nice, peaceful, and quiet. But, and this is nice. I don't have to do anything today. Need a day like this where I don't have to do much. So I'll talk to you later when I'm going to head into town. All right, it's about 1:30 right now, and all I've done today, I ate breakfast, put everything away, and I charged up. I took the generator out and charged up the GoPro batteries and also my phone, just simply because I was able to. I actually didn't have to, but anyways, this is how the campground looks now. A few more people have left since this morning. And those people over there are actually, they arrived, I think it was last night, yesterday afternoon. So they're actually new arrivals. Probably here for the weekend, I suppose. The second weekend of the rally. And there's people that were in a pickup over and just past those tent. There's people there that left a little while ago. So there's getting to be quite empty around here. And I'm just riding into town, and you know, but I decided just for the fun of it to stick the GoPro on there. I'm gonna film that, the ride into town to Medane Street to find a place to park, and probably on the way back too. I don't know, just, you know, for the fun of it. So I think I'm about ready to go. So I'm gonna start up the bike, and I'll see ya in downtown Main Street, Sturgis. Here we are. I'm parked again on Main Street. May as well take a look at that since they're parked right next to me. I've seen them here before in the past, so kind of fun to take a look at them again. Here we go. Go over here. I think I'm going to go walk down Lozelle. Suppose I better do a clip from Main Street again. I can tell that it's a thinner crowd than it was earlier this week, of course. But still a lot of people, a lot of bikes, as you can see. Okay, I'm back at my bike, and I'm going to run to the Dakota Mart and get some milk, and then head back to camp. And that's where I'll be the rest of tonight. But I'm going to be back in town tomorrow here in Sturgis again, and just enjoy the day. So. Alright, see you back at camp. Okay, back at camp. Already got into my shorts. It's pretty darn hot. But that's how it looks out west right now. course, gotta take a look around the campground. Sure gotten less populated. There's still a few around yet. Me being one of them. And right now I'm just going to sit in the chair and relax, probably read a little bit, take it easy, and then have supper later on. Yeah, that's about it. I'll do some more clips later on, so talk to you later. Well, for supper tonight, I'm giving a second attempt at this. See if I do better. That's already... turn that down some. Okay, now... Well, now I gotta stir it. So, when I'm done, I'll show you what it looks like, if I remember. Okay, here we are. Let's see how it turned out. Okay, probably have it a little bit closer. I suppose it's a little bit runnier than it's supposed to be, but just a little bit tastes good. So I'm gonna finish up supper and we'll talk in a little bit. Okay, it's about 8 o'clock now, and I finished supper, put everything away. So now I'm just going to sit here and relax again. Yeah, there's the campground now. I may as well take a look out west again as usual. See clouds over there. The sun's going down. There we go, and I wonder if I should wrap up today's video right now. I think I will. And of course tomorrow's the plan. Once again, I don't have lots of things going on tomorrow. Just once again, just go into town and hang around. For how long and how early I get there, I don't know. I want to eat my sandwiches and have lunch out here first before going into town. So I'll do that for sure first. So it won't be super early, but I'll be there for a few hours for sure. And maybe I'll do some video clips too. I was going to do a video clip along Lazelle today, but then I forgot. But oh well, that's how it goes. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.